What's up, peeps? Welcome back to the vlog. We're here today in Seattle, Washington. We're checking out the Boeing Museum of Flight today. It's south of Seattle on the Interstate 5 going towards Portland. We stopped by to check it out, guys. So it's $26 per person, per adult to enter, right? And if you're a veteran, you get a discount, etc. We're gonna show you around the Boeing Museum of Flight today. Boeing is that well-known company that makes airplanes and airplane parts. Join us today, guys, as we check this out. Let's go. So it looks like this Iraqi Airways flight is about to take off, folks. So let's take a look. Check out Mount Rainier in the distance. Wow, that backdrop of Mount Rainier is impressive. I'm not sure if you guys can see it. It's just right here. Here's an Iraqi flight ready to go. This here is the first Boeing manufacturing building that built the first Boeing airplane, the Red Barn, it's nicknamed. There's a lot of woodworking equipment in here to build the planes. Here's a skeleton of one of the planes. Pretty interesting. We're on the outdoor pavilion for the Boeing display of aircrafts here. And unfortunately, we missed out on the chance to enter some of these aircrafts because that part of it closes at 3:30. So we weren't able to get into any of them, but we can still see the actual aircrafts. And these are all Boeing made aircrafts, which is pretty impressive. You can see the Concorde over there, which was used by British Airways, and that's one of the fastest planes to ever have been made, but they got taken out of service. And the US Air Force and Navy is one of Boeing's main clients. They've built quite a bit of aircrafts for them. And the engines of these planes are made by popular company Rolls-Royce. Quite the technology. This is a model of the Boeing 787 aircraft. That's it for our tour of the Boeing Museum of Flight here in Seattle, Washington. It was a great adventure, guys. They have models of old fighter jets, helicopters, Black Hawk helicopters, warplanes, etc. We're just gonna end the video here. We just want to thank you for watching. Do appreciate you watching. We'll see you in the next video where we're gonna go around Seattle and check out Kerry Park and the Seattle Space Needle. So we'll see you in that one, guys. Take care. Peace.